Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to look at how to do a duet using Suno. Now, this is usually an exercise of frustration and usually takes a lot of credits because Suno is a very young AI. It is easily confused, but let me show you the best techniques that I have found that work for me personally on getting a duet out of Suno. So first, we've gone into ChatGPT and asked us to generate a nice duet. And we've already done some work here in Suno. First, we're going to do an intro. I always like to start with a nice little interlude here, instrumental. Actually, we're going to use some audio from audio that I have previously recorded. And if you want to find out how I did that, that's in a different video. The link will be in the comments. I'm sorry, in the description below. Okay, so we're going to do this as a lead in because we want to influence Suno here. And we're just going to use that. Okay. And then we're going to start with a female vocalist, powerful alto, and then a second vocalist, deep baroque baritone male vocalist. Now you notice here we've used a cabaret show tune style, which should be very friendly for a duet. We've also included the keyword duet here. Group vocals tends to work the best for me as far as getting duet style. Um, so yeah, there's that. We've also titled our song. Let's go ahead and upload that clip I was mentioning. It goes up the night. Okay, this was previously recorded a video, and it's a very jazzy piece. It's really nice. I liked it. Definitely want to use it here. Generating an image for it. Okay, and there we go. Extend off that. Again, we'll use the first 10 seconds. Should work really nicely. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay. And again, here's what we do here. We do the lead in. We make sure to define the vocalists. Vocalist 1, vocalist 2. You notice we're using vocalist 1 here for verse 1. Verse 2, we're using vocalist 2. And notice that I put parentheses around the second vocalist. This helps Suno a little bit know that it's not the same singer as the first one. This one is kind of split into vocalist 1 and vocalist 2. Again, notice the parentheses around vocalist 2. This is using both. Excuse me. And then in the bridge here, we're going to be split it. Vocalist 2 is leading, and then vocalist 1 is following. And we're using both for the chorus and both in the outro. So let's see how that works. Actually, let's move the both up here. That's confusion that way. All one tag. All right. So let's see what we get. And it seems to have the idea of a duet style, showing two humans. But we will see. Taking a little longer, so this is usually a good sign.
Je montre chaleur de death, searching for a glance, a spark to light the way. But now I know it's a subtle glow that keeps the dark at bay. You've been chasing the night, looking for the light, wondering where you belong. But in your heart, the moonlight lies where you've been strong all along.
Hmm.
We're more than the
Definitely two different voices
masks
here, but not
we
sure if
wear,
it's
more
second one
than
is
the
a male.
secrets we share. It's in the game, in the daring move, the
Looks like we've
strength
switched roles
to
here.
prove. In every twist, in every turn,
Yeah,
we
that one
find.
almost did it, but not quite. So the idea at least.
Je veux survivre, garder, searching for a glance, a spark to light the way. But now I know it's a subtle glow that keeps the dark at bay.
Hmm.
In the shadows we dance, searching for a glance, a spark to light the way. But now I know it's a subtle glow that keeps the
Music.
dark at
It's really weird.
bay. You've been chasing the light, looking
All
for
right,
the
one more
light.
try.
What?
Weird, because we have this. Oh, this could be the screen recorder I'm using. Okay. Wow. Now let's try again. And we'll see if this is any better.
Je veux déjà dans la bouille de feu d'un bonnet de chou. You get the shadows we dance, searching for a
What is
glance,
she,
a
French or
spark
something?
to light
Jeez.
the way. But now I know it's a subtle glow that keeps the dark at bay. You've been chasing the night, looking for the light,
Sound like a male
wondering where
vocalist,
you
which is nice.
belong. But in your eyes, the moonlight lies where you've been strong all along. Well, we're more than the mask we wear,
Nice.
more than the secrets we share. It's in the game, in the daring move, the strength to
It wasn't bad. I got
prove.
on
In
the second
every
roll.
twist, in every turn, we find the fire, we feel the burn. To stand as one, to face the night, with love as our guiding light. We are very shy, our roots run deep. In every sigh, in every sleep, together we rise,
There
together.
we go. We got a duet on our second try. Now, again, she sounds like a little French at the beginning. I don't understand it. Let's see if the second roll did better.
Shadow to dance, searching for God, whisper to light the way. But now I know it's a subtle glow that keeps the dark at bay. You've been chasing the night, looking for the
And I do
light,
see video
wondering
on
where you belong.
but quite surprised, quite impressive. This is probably going to be my keeper here. At least he got it right on the second try. So again, this is how you do a duet. It does take a couple rolls here, some tweaking to get it right. But again, this is the format that I'm going to personally recommend. Again, make sure you use group vocals to save you some of the frustration. And again, cabaret tends to be good duet style, so does show tune. So I used both here, and I got it pretty much on the second try, so that wasn't too bad. All right, well, thank you again so much for watching and being awesome. And make sure to like and subscribe and listen to some of my music on my channel.